This is a sanding set from Amazon, and this is 120 pieces of sanding and polishing. You've got the hook and loop attachment, and you've got different holders. This one is flat for if you want to sand something flat. Then you've got foam, the foam pad for contours. This is really great for woodworking, for even sanding on a wood lathe. You've got the other solid. This is a very solid mount. And the hand holder for hand sanding. This is a really neat thing that I plan on using quite a bit. We've also got the aluminum oxide sanding discs, and these are 3-inch. We've got a couple of the silicone carbide for polishing. The foam pads are for applying wax, and the fiber is for removing the wax and polishing, and then the microfiber for removing the fine dust. So it's the whole system for really taking care of anything on your car, doing woodwork. You might not use some of it for one or the other, but everything's here. There's tape they include for marking off the area, and then 4 different posts for the tools. Really nice set. I like all the grits, goes up to 3,000. That's some really nice polishing in your workshop, even if you're using resin, or if you're, like I said, working on car paint, anything with paint, you really want to polish it up to that grit. We've got 60 grit up to 3,000 grit, and all the foam pads, polishing pads, tool holders, and even a roll of masking tape. Really nice set. I love the quantity of sanding discs. 10 sanding discs of each grit. They're all marked. Sometimes you get these kits and they're not marked. These are all marked. Everything's clearly marked. Really nice set. Has all the pieces you would need for sanding and polishing.